Yakendo Menteri Rangba Ado Ukari, Yaki Menteri Kambari ke BRICS, Hakaba Menteri Katanat Kambari, USJ Shankar Ula Banjur, Halor ke Jingakren, ke Jingat Trailang, Bat ke Jing Penek, Ya ke Jing Sup Kiri, Haka Pertai. Pelaj Menteri Rangba ke Jela, Upanrat ke Sangma, Ya Kendai Pusan Teliki Kali Thamai, Nak ke Bentaki Pulit, Ban Penklan Ya ke Rukam Terekam, Jangki Pulit ke Jela. Yaro Menteri Rangba ke Jela, Uparat ke Sangma, Yaki Pulit ke Jela, Nak ke Benta ke Jing Tracy Tom Jongki, Ha ke Jingja, Ya Kulmar, Ha Lapangap. Penpau, Menteri Katanat Kakwat Kakya, Uba Wailat Miki Shela, Ya ke Jing Sokya, Halor ke Jing Penkendria, Ya ke Examen Undergraduate, Jongkanit. Mentanginya Pai, Syaki Kubor nak keleng ke Jela. Menteri Rangba ke Jela, Konrad ke Sangma, hine ke sengi, ula pelaj ia ki kali thamai nak bentaki pulit, ha police officers mess ha Shillong ban penklan ya ke rukam terekam jong ki pulit ke Jela. Ka Director General of Police ikong Ida Shisha Nongrang, bat kiwe ki he officer, kilaya donlang ha kani ke program. Lala ban pinyo baro kendai pusan teliki kali ki basyongdor kumba lai phoklor tingka kentup ya ki kali Marty Jimmy, ki kali kit ya ki pulit, ki trok red, bat ki kali Tata Yodha, na ki bentaki CID. Na kini nyop kendai teliki kali ki dei ki balabay tingka hapo ka Central Assistance to State Police Scheme jong ka Sarkar India.
To maintaining law and order and to ensure that investment in the police force and the overall improvement of the police department has been one of the utmost priority of our government. We are today again to further augment the facilities and the transportation which is very much required at the grassroots level to our forces. Again, a reflection of the commitment that this government has towards ensuring that we are able to improve the overall law and order situation at the grassroots level.
Ka Director General of Police ikong Ida Shisha Nongrang hine ka sengi ila ong baki pulit jong ka Jela ki khmi amtang ya ka kam kum ka benta jong ki kam pulit hinre ki khmi ru ya ki mat ke beyade bat ki kam thok kam shukor ha ki internet lani cybercrime ka shong shngan bat ya ki wei pat ki mat ki bakta ya ka jing shngan habakren chikilat pathai khubor ka DGP kalakren halor ki jing e ki beyade bat ki nong shong shnong jong ka lapangap ha West Giant Hills bat ong ba lapha shu ya ki bor pahara ha ketika jaka hadin balayoi ya ka jingdon kam wat lada don lupa arkun hon kishipai pahara.
The majority of Lapanga village turned out en masse yesterday. So it is a very genuine problem for them. They have been saying that while the Assam side is not stopping the cultivation, but what's happening is they go for the cultivation, and the evenings there, whatever they planted is uprooted during the night. So that was a problem which they are really facing, and then they are saying that we haven't had much of support from us. We've been trying our best. So yesterday the decision that was taken both by the Deputy Chief Minister, which was seconded by us, that we would send in, because of the villages of Lapangap in the initial period when the problem first flared up, we had sent in our SF, what we call the SF10, right? So they wanted another a presence of SS10 there. They had gone today, and they'll be should be reaching there by now because they had left early this morning. platoon at the moment, and then we'll see, depending on the situation, we will see whether we need to put in more people or not. Because additionally, day before yesterday, we had already sent 2 platoons to of Meghalaya battalion people to Lucknow.
Hakaway pat kabenta Menteri Rang ba kejela u Konrad ke sangma ulayaro yaki pulit jong kejela na kabenta ka jingtre hok ka jongki bat ka jingla jongki bante lakam ya kanu nu ka jinglong jingman ka bakentup ya ka jingkulma padangshan ha ka snong lapangap ha West Giant Hills uloong ba ki bor pulit ki don ya ka kamram ka pakongsan ban pinne ya ka shongstuk shongsan kat ba ka sarkar kadang beteng ya ka jingakren bat kejela Assam halor kamat ka bayadei bat ki jaka khaput Menteri Rang ba kejela ula ai kublei ya ka Director General of Police ikong Ida Shisha Nongrang bat yaki bor pulit na ka benta ka jing ai tilut ka jongki bat ula kular ba ka sarkar kan beteng ban ai ka jing kershan bat ban pen klan yaki bat yaki jing shingan jongki pat ba ha ka lengki benta jong kejela.
Some of the concerned farmers had come to Shillong, to Secretariat, to address their concerns. The police force was present. At the same time, our Honorable Deputy CM had met them, and together we were able to find a solution where we are able to now discuss with our counterparts across the state border and find a positive way and a solution and a way forward to find a possible solution to this problem that we are facing. And SF-10 forces will be placed in this location, which will give confidence to our people. At the same time, Honorable Deputy CM and myself will be taking up the matter with the Assam government, and now that the new government has been formed in Assam, we will continue our talks to find a solution for the other locations also.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kalapan pendapat ba man pinyeng ya MP ke Shillong uberim ubalong ru President ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala kum ukertong jong ka party banya kun ha ka election shiteng samoy na ka benta ka Shuki shaka yeng dorbar Lok Sabha ka Bansalong ya ka ne ka jingpen bena la pinmi hadin ka jingpen long ya ka jingelang jong ka party ya ka ba lawan manishim benta da kinong tre bat kinong yalam barang ba ka Congress Kibala penpau ya ka jing snows kem halor ka jingalam bat ka kam jong uba pala.
Unanimously, I think there was a resolution that I should contest the elections. So I'm very happy to see that most of the district presidents and the block presidents had entrusted their faith on me to fight. And I told them the election is not on me alone, it's also depend on the party workers at the ground. They should go to the village and then rather if possible visit door to door so that we can fight. It's final, there's no question of more or less, it's final. Only announcement have to be made by Delhi. Okay? If they're happy with me, they'll make it. If they're not happy, then maybe they'll ask another name. But more or less, not more or less, it's final. And I request all people to support me as usual.
Menteri Rang ba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma ulap penrem jur ya ka jingja thombor ka padangshan ha Manipur kentup ya ka jingsha thombor jong kinong yalam niam bat ka jingdu no ya ki mensiam brio ula ong ba ki kampentriam ki bawan ha kanu ka doru ki dei ki bamla ban pediang bat ula kentu ya ka sarkar bat ki pat ba ka Manipur ban ya trailang khnang ban wanra piang ya ka jingsong sok ha ka jela Pat ula banjur ba klem ka jingsuk an amla ban wanra biang ya ka jinglong jingman ka bayat bet yat renti hakatan.
And any kind of violence is something that from our party side is completely unacceptable, and the way it was done and the way the church leaders were attacked and the loss of lives that was there is something that we have highly condemned as a party, and we urge the state government as well as the people of Manipur that we need to ensure that violence must stop and we must continue to work together as a society to work towards bringing back peace in the state of Manipur. And if we do not have peace, we will not be able to move towards bringing back normalcy in the state.
Menteri Ketenaga Kuat Kakya Kejala ubah wailat Miki Shela ula penpau ya kejing Sokya halor kejing penkeria no ya ke examine undergraduate jong ke NEET da ke National Testing Agency da ke boong bakani kalakta ya ki kena pulih hakel lengkeri kentup ya ki babun ki samla ha kejala. Menteri ula ong bakani kejing long jingman kalong ke bapendu mensiem ya ki kena pulih ki balapen krep bha na ke bentakan ke examine. Ubah Shela ula kerpat ya ke sorkar pedeng ban syim ya kilat ki lenti ki badon kam kenang ban yarap ya ki kena ki ba angnut ban puli doktor bandon ya ke jingkerman bat jing scam ke jingmut.
Taken. I feel so disheartening. I think it is totally unfortunate because I think quite a number of our youth who have given their time and efforts. So now again they have to do. So I think it's very unfortunate. But what could I say more, because this is being done from the NTA. But I would like to see that I think strong action should be taken and the culprit should be punished, and at the same time we would like to see that the central government should come up with I think it need to come up with something to assure the student or the youth of our country.
Ki pulit ka umkyang ha East Giant Hills kila yo ban bat hinin ka step ya ka kali Hyundai Ion ba kila yo ru ban kurup laipo hajatali ki detonator ki bala thep ha ki sinduk kot bat ka ka berni kani ka kali ka betmu ban lai sa shelter kala syabat no ha ka jing talasi ha ar kilo ka badon ha ka snong umkyang lakem no ya arngut ki briu ki bana Kachar district jong ka jela Assam ha ka bayadei bat kanika jingkit bian ya ki tiar pen betai ladap ban ujor persha halum snong police station bat ka jing tokit halor kani kadang ya chakamat. Saungut kibriu kila Shah Sumar ha Civil Hospital Nongstoin hadin bakila pangjur na ka jingbam ya ki chur klau kat ba ki dang trei ha ka jaka klau ka badon ha maulan ha jan langpi ha West Khasi Hills District. Kini kila not kila shed bat bam ya lai jat ki jur klau ha ka por shiteng sngi kat ba ki dang re slap. Tang mar shudat bam kila sedang ban shitom na ka jing suk po ka jing pre ka jing kta khle bat ka jing kiu at boro shirnyang ha ka ba kimla ashu wat tang ban ya ru. Kini kibriu ki balangat pang kilong u Shining Stars so shang u Alphas nongse u Albert Linkoy bat u prang rintong. Baro kini kidang don hapadeng ka jing Shah Sumar ha Civil Hospital Nongstoin. UMDC Kalaban Mauprem uba Ricky Shulai hinin kasngi ula lej banya kendu ya menteri rangba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma ban kentu ya ka sorkar ban ithu bat burom ya ka lingkhu sngi yap jong u Reverend JJM Nicholas Roy u balatip kum unong penwandur ya ka kernet ka bahenrio uni UMDC ula ai jingmut ba ya ka shitarik unai wing ka badai ka sngi rakhe ya ka lingkhu sngi yap jong u Reverend Nicholas Roy dei man penpena kum ka sngi shuti ha ka jela kum ka ka jing ai buram ya ka jing no senyang ka bakrau jong u na ka benta banyada ya ka hok jong ki riurit pat lingba jong ka kernet ka bahandrio
kabaladap jing sko hanga bangadiban initiate ya kane khanang ba borok koi ka jela ga jogi bar kumju hi kar India hi kan tip ba u ba joy udai we JJM Nicholas Roy udai we brio bala architect ya kane ka sik schedule ka ba protect yang i hadu mentah kasngi mentah ngi di ban senang ban pen kemau biang ya borok koi kari ba ubajoy udai we nakiru champang balap wanra ya kata kalat kelenti banyada hadu mentah kasngi tengah kwa baka sorkar bat kibriu jong ka jela kin burom bat ngin ya kemau burom bat ngila banda kasngi syuti jong un la ban bu ki program bat ki UNESCO program ki babun kenang ba kapateng pengeluan kadang tip kenang kapateng kenuan kadang scam kemau kakamram jong bajoy bo wanra ekane di ban yadai ki hill people but hatu ko por la wanra ka jing yada ka bakongsan e gade namanta ka yadai ka lan kumba plei menta ki jing mi ki huriura halor ka kundo ka siap ya ka treat but ya ka reti ke dustut kadi ka bakongsan haru ka tata bangi tuan kam ban pen kesan ban pen kemau ban pen scam ya ka ka ba iba joy la le
Kasangkardev College kala penlong ya ka National Symposium ka baasngi halor ka application of plasma physics in sustainable waste management and conservation ringkat ka jingatrelang jang ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Ya ka ni ka program la penlong lang daki department jang ka physics, botany, environmental science bat ka IQAC jang ka college. Kani ka symposium kawan lamlang ya haju ya kinohikai kinongwat binya ki start pule maryang bat ki kena pule banya peleu jingmot halor kilat thamai ki bakat kum ka jing start science na ka benta ka jing pendon kam bat ka jing penne ya ka maryang.
There is a plasma physics which can able to address the hazardous waste. So really it is important topic, and moreover it is need of the hour, and to create an awareness for all the other local bodies and all who can adopt this technology. And I think this topic and by the outcome of the symposium will be going to be very good, and this technology can be adopted in the state of Meghalaya. Now the population is increased as compared to past few years, past decades. In the Meghalaya itself, more than 30 lakh people are there, and also proportionately that waste generation also been increased. And those generated waste and all going, if we are not treating it properly, it will pose many problems to the soil environment as well as soil and water quality and all.
Katanat social welfare ka bahap hapok ka dream mission jong ka sarkar jela ha ka jinga snok tilang bat ka Bosco Integrated Development Society kala penlong ya ka drug reduction but elimination awareness program ha khandai lat Shillong henekasngi ki samla puli jong ka William Carey University kilawan banishim benta ha ka ni ka campaign man pin sapryang jingtip halor ka jingta jong udrak bat kilat bakila banyo na ka jingerap na ki jaka sumar lani ki rehabilitation center kinong yeshim benta kilara ya ki plakat ban pensa priang jingtip halor ka rukam im ka bakoj bakya bat ban ai jingkershan ya ka jingtmu jong ka jela ban lai no drop.
My phones chat center are here along with the contact number. You can call any of them. They will help you at the right time. Yes. Scan for hope, scan for life. Thank you.
Today's activity is organized in collaboration with Dream Mission, a mission of the government of Meghalaya, and my organization, which is Bosco Integrated Development Society, and the students from William Carey University. And as you know, that drug is spreading like anything. So we want to tell people that addiction is a disease and which can be treated. And let's not have stigma against addict, but let us come forward and help them. And we are here to tell people that there is a lot of rehab, in total 14 rehab centers opened by the government of Meghalaya, which can actually provide treatment to the people. And the good thing is that the government is providing free treatment to the poor. So many people are not aware of this. Therefore, we have gathered here to do some short dramas, short skit, as well as distribution of pamphlets and giving awareness to people about the services provided by the government and other NGOs.
Ka Umsling Patarim Youth Organization kala penlong ya ka Community Welfare Program da ka pasam ya ki jing ai sobha ki tiaryarap bat ka jing ai sngongo sya ki teman ki kro ki samla ki brio ki badan jingduna ha ki department bat ki kheda ya ka ni ka program la penlong hadian ka program pen sapyang jingtip na ka benta ki khna school bat ki nong shong ha ka ba lawan banishim benta da ki riu pau khmat bakunthop ya uran sam sutanga I NF sun I badai I district social welfare officer jong ka riboy ki he ki han ki khna school ba ki dekhot jong ka snong la pen kut no ya ka ni ka program da ka jing sam ya ki jing ai sobha bat ki khusnam shaki nong yo jing mentoy. Tangin ya pai shaki kubor na kathan shatay lamingi. Kazomi Students Federation bat ka Kuki Students Organization kala penramjur ya ka jing penyap ya ki nong yalam niam ha Kangpokpi District ha Manipur da ka baong ba ka ni ka jing thombor kalong ka jing le bam khenbrio bat ka ba excitement kat kum ka jing yo khubor lai ngut ki nong yalam jong ka Thadao Baptist Association kila sha penyap bat bun ki wei kila mensaujur hadin ba ki rio kieng atiar ki bamla ban ithu kila thombor ya artali ki kali ha Kangpokpi ha ka khalai terik menta ubnai kani ka jingja kala penbitar ya ki babun ka jing khang kherdap bat ka jing sosi ha keleng ki jaka kashnong ki kukizo mentang inya pai syaki kubor na kelengkeri Menteri Rangba Dokeri Narendra Modi hinegasngi ulaya kundu bat ki Menteri Katanat Kambari ki bawan banishim benta haka jingalang ka BRICS ha New Delhi. Habakren haka jingalang Menteri Katanat Kambari u Dr. S.J. Shankar ulaong baka jingsuk baka jing shngan ka yaine banlong ka telong jong ka jingedai kiri ka perthai bat banjur halor ka jingkong san bandon ya ka jingakren bat ka jingatrai lang hapadeng ka jing beteng ka jingaken art kiri ka perthai bat ka jing shakta jong kayo kakot. Ya kani ka jingalang la penlong hapo ka phang pedeng building for resilience, innovation, cooperation and sustainability kaba la penisrim bat ka thong ban phai khmat na ka benta ki pajba jong Menteri Rangba adu kari na ka benta ka BRICS.
We have organized over 80 BRICS meetings with active participation from all members. These engagements have strengthened cooperation and advanced dialogue across sectors. We look forward to building on this momentum. Promoting a more inclusive and collaborative BRICS framework, we as chair have been engaging partner countries as well. We have also taken forward discussions on institutional development, including integration of new members through a stock taking and updatation of existing mechanisms. It is essential for the smooth advancement of BRICS that later members fully appreciate and subscribe to the BRICS consensus on various important issues. Excellencies, we meet at a time of considerable flux in international relations. Ongoing conflicts, economic uncertainties, and challenges in trade and technology and climate are shaping the global landscape.
Mentang inya pai syaki kubor na kaleng perthai. President jongka China Xi Jinping hne kasngi ula penlong ya ka jingakran bat President jongka US Donald Trump ha Beijing ha ka ba kini kinong elam kila ya mir halor ka jingatrelang bat kimat bakong san jongka perthai ha ka ni ka jingalang Xi Jinping ula banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban pen klan ya ka jingadei ha pedeng ka US bat China da ka ba pensyong nongrim halor ka jingyang scam ka jingatrelang bat ka jingpdiang ya ka jing smuper Utram ulapan pau ban ya trelang bat Uzi da ka pen klan ya ka jinga kren ban pediang ya ka jinga per bat ban pen klan ya ka jinga day gini ginong elam kila kren ru halor ka jinglong jingman ka Middle East Ukraine bat Korea bat kila menjur bakin kershan iwe ya iwe ha ka APEC bat G20 summit mentausnam mentangin ya pai syaki kubor ya lekai Kasorkar jila hinin kasngi kala penlong ya ka jingalang bat kinong ilekai ki coaches bat ka State Sports Association ha State Convention Center Shillong kumshi benta jong ka jingpen kre na ka benta ka National Games ka balai pukandai ka ban salong ha usnam banwan ya ka ni ka jingalang la penya da Menteri Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs uba wailat mikishilla ban pelet jingmut na ka benta ka bha kamyat jong kinong ilekai ban pinbiang ya ki jaka ban pintebet ki jingbam ki bataimet bat kilat ban yakob bat kiwei ha kani ka jingelang la pen pauru bala dep banjit kumba sanpo hajar ngot kinong yele kai na keleng ke jela na do ubenai jeliu jong usnem hajar pusan kum shibenta jong ka jingpen kre na ka benta ka national games hajar punyo.
This year's annual budget of sports is 844 crores. 844 crores, which means now we have money to really bring that infrastructure, the support, especially now we have to, we cannot just give you simple training. It should be data driven. It should be supported with science. Another thing, presentation that we are going to release the next phase, the second phase of 23.37 crores, which include here for the accommodation, for diet and nutrition and competition exposure, will be given to the again to the association to make sure that our athlete should get good diet, good place to stay, and also should get an opportunity for exposure.
Yo kan kali izin kelima, kerana zonga kali provok compare, ban kali nakalon balik, kumi kibria nakalon balik, ban praktis ingban kamaran kawagian tentang kamaran wakang ban praktis, terkumno in expect menginlah beliau yang kita kenal. Orang ikut apa beliau yang kenal, ikut apa Kristen, Henry Banon yang kata kamaran pak dari praktis manusia imdan tentang katai responsor pada kuat malapin air juga.
Sangot kinong yele kai na kajela bakan thop ya inong ishim benta badang khatlai snem karta kin sami khman na kabenta kajela ha ka national kudo championship kaban salong hapune Maharashtra na do ka khanreu ha do ka arpusau tarik ujemang kani ka kinhun kadan saungut kishinrang bat iwe ikin thai ha ringkat bat kinong yelam na ka kudo association jong kajela kani ka jinga shim benta ka pen pau ya ka jingjok ka ba kongsan na ka benta ka jinga le kai martial arts ha ka jela ha ka ba ka kudo association jong ka jela kala don la shis na benta
ka jingwan jungi hi hune ka dai na menta ba kini kina ki ban shim benta ha ka ni ka fourth national kudo championship ka bat salong hapo Pune Maharashtra dang menta shisnam tam kadang don hang ne ajela kadang ai kiru baki ong ba kin ayaka recognition kajing itu awat kadai ka sports ka ba la recognize ha India kadai ka sports ka ba itu daka serpat daka ministry and youth affair kulai itu daka sai kulai itu lot ma te hang ni po apo jela jongi long kanang kham sim jing ban kan itu ya kanai ka asian ka jongi namar ba kadang dai ka bathmai hoi ngasu thu kata tengah kerpa hiru nakaliang jongi mo ngikwa hiba nakaliang ka musie bat ka directory of sport kan company itu no kamkloi yang
mentapan ini pe ka jinglong jingman ka sun benang hakalang ki benta jong ka chela Hatura kajing siat kalong 8 degree Celsius but kajing siat kalong 8 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau kalong nyau pulai nak shisma but kajing hap slap kalong iway point r millimeter katba nong ba shilong pat kajing siat kalong 100 degree Celsius but kajing siat kalong 8 lai degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau kalong prapaway nak shispa but kajing hap slap kalong nyau point san millimeter katba hajo wai pat kajing kriat kalong 100 degree Celsius but kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka hau kalong prapaway na kashispa but kajing hap slap kalong 0.9 millimeter kasun benang kan dum loo but kala ru bandan kajing hap slap hatura shilong but jowai Shaban poi sya ka bakut jong katuk kubang ini pe biang seisin yakimat pokongsan Ya kendo Menteri Rangba Aduk Keri ya ki Menteri Kambari ke BRICS ha ka ba Menteri Ketelat Kambari USJ Shankar ula banjur halor ke jingkran ke jingat Trailang bat ke jingpene ya ke jingsuk kiri ke pertai. Pelaj Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma ya kendai pesan teliki kali temai nak ke bentaki kulit ban penklan ya ke rukam trekam jongki kulit ke jela. Yaro Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma ya ki kulit ke jela nak ke bentak ke jing treshi tom jongki ha ke jingja ya kulman halapangap. But penpau Menteri Ketenat Kekoi Kakya uba wailat Miki Shilla ya ke jing Sofia halo ke jing penkeria ya ke examen undergraduate jong ke NEET. Te paulo ka tungi la poi sya ka bakut jong ka thuk bo jing meta ka janmit hadu ngin de syam ya pilai sai sngi kublai pi paro.